Sa akin din po. 1, 2, 3. One more po. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
We will be having a media conference with the owners and some guests joining us tonight. So I would like to acknowledge the owners and the business partners. Let me call on Ms. Celine Shu from Global Product Marketing Manager of Chillax. Hi, Ms. Celine. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the Chillax and So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Chili Fan Chillax Feast tonight. I hope you have the enjoyable time here. Thank you all. I'm Celine.
Thank you. I would like to call on Mr. Ben Zhu or Ben Su, the CEO of Chillax. Hi, sir. You can greet our media friends and all of the people here.
Hello, I'm Ben from Chillax. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I would like to call on the CEO and Shift International, Mr. Eugene Chua. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hi, I'm Eugene, the CEO of Shift International. So I just want to thank everyone for attending this event, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. We've prepared so many programs for everyone. So lahat tayo ay uuwi na masaya namin gabi.
Okay, and joining also tonight are two of the top influencers here in the Philippines. Let me call on Miss Rosemar and of course, Boss Toyo.
Hello po, so ako po si Rosmar, ang first ever endorser po ng Shift International. At ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito sa pagsuporta kay Kuya Eugene. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan, ako pala si Wamos. Maraming salamat.
That's Boss Toyo, everyone. So, the table is now open for your questions, my media friends. So, who would like to do the first question? Anyone from the media? Mr. Attorney Ton from DWIZ and TV and Newswatch.
Hello everyone. Thank you. My question is, the question ko na kasi si Rosmar, no? Ganda-ganda talaga ni Rosmar. Sobra. Kay Boss Toyo na lang. Boss Toyo, sino pa ang personality na gusto mong mapabilang sa iyong museum o ang gamit ng personality na gusto mong mapabilang sa museum?
Tulad ng mga sinabi ko sa past interview ko, gamit ni Vic Soto, Plastic Man, tsaka Active Barbell ni Edu Manzano, tsaka syempre si Ina Raimundo.
Pagdating sa mga beauty queen.
Sa beauty queen, syempre gusto ko magkaroon ng kay Catriona. Meron ako actually sa chair niya, pero meron akong mga gusto mga gamit mula kay Catriona.
Okay. One more. Ano may advice mo? I asked Rosmar about this question. Ano may advice mo doon sa mga tao na nawawala yung mga bumabagsak, na dinepress sila,
Nawawala ng gana sa buhay.
Yes.
Dahil
sa pagkalugi sa negosyo.
Natural lang yun. Learning process lahat yan. Lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay. Lessons yan. So, ang gagawin mo lang sa mga susunod, huwag mo na lang siyang gawin ulit. Gawin mo na rin lang siyang motivation mo. Tapos talagang yan yung una mo na makakatulong sa inyo yung mga failures. Kasi kung wala kang failures, hindi ka rin magiging successful in time. So, tanggapin nyo lang yung mga failures at huwag nyo nang balikan.
Okay, thank you. Kay Sir Eugene. Sir Eugene, do you understand Tagalog? Okay, you understand Tagalog. That's good. Anyway, ano po yung basihan ninyo sa pagkuha ng mga endorsers?
Well, actually, sa endorsement, no? So kami sa Shift International, we do the rating. Yung mga nakikita ninyo mga endorsement namin, actually, they are, it's a partnership between a friendship with them. So hindi po siya kasi paid endorsement. Kasi we are not allowed to do any advertisement of the vape products. So lahat po ng mga kaibigan natin dito na influencers are all out support lang po sa atin dito sa Shift International and hindi po sila paid endorsement. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Kay Rosmar. Rosmar, anong feeling na ikaw ang kaunahan niya babaeng na endorser na ano?
So, nung unang-una pa lang po, nung malakas na po yung shift before, pero kumbaga mas malakas kasi ngayon eh. So, nung una pa lang po, talagang super close friend na po kami ni Kuya Eugene at hindi po kami nagkaroon ng bilangan man lang or presyohan. As in, wala pong presyohan na nangyari. Hindi po ako nagpapabayad, hindi rin po siya yung ganun po talaga. Kaya
Kasi mayaman ka na.
Ay, hindi po. Wala po akong pera before. Tapos binibigyan lang po niya ako dati ng parang mga vape products na tinitinda ko. Gano'n. Yung mga bigay, tinitinda ko para wala pong puhunan. Tapos yung iba po, pinamibigay ko, pinagpo-content, promote, ayun. Sa mga products po na yun, super natutuwa po kasi yung mga tao. Kaya super tuwang-tuwa rin po ako na nabibigyan ako lagi ng pang-giveaways ko.
Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney Con. I'd like to call Ms. Vernaline Amado from Net25.
Good evening, Ms. Sir Eugene. What do you think is the edge of the company that makes it success and growing?
For me, I think with our company, Shift International, for me, comparing to other big competitors, I believe we have this support that we give to all our distributors, resellers, up until our end users, and we make sure that everyone will earn and everyone will have a good business with us. Thank you.
We have a question from Bandera, Mr. Erwin Santiago.
Yeah, for Rosmar, tsaka kay Boss Toyo, ano yung may papayo niyo dun sa mga natatakot or nagdadalawang isip pa rin na gumamit ng vape until now? Lalo na yung mga gusto mag-quit na sa pag-yoyosi.
Para sa akin po, talagang marami po kasi akong mga staff din before na nag-yoyosi po talaga. And ngayon po sa mga binibigay po sa akin ni Boss Eugene, talagang pinapamigay ko po sa mga staff ko para maiwasan po nila yung pag-yoyosi. Lalo na po sa tulad ko na nasa food business, ayoko po talaga ng mga staff or iba yung mga massage, ganyan sa spa. Ayoko ng mga staff na naamoy ko po na amoy sigarilyo kasi parang ang sakit sa ilong, lalo na kung hindi ka wala po kasi akong, hindi ako nag-yoyosi. So, naiirita ako every time naman naaamoy akong gano'n. Pero yung vape kasi is mabango. So, parang minsan amoy smooth, amoy kaya okay lang po siyang maamoy. Kahit sino man yung makalapit mo, wala pong problema.
Ay, second the motion.
Okay, we have a question from ABS-CBN Online. Hi, Josh.
Hi, sir. The owner. Your reaction lang kasi parang naging issue yung parang pagbabawalan ng pagbebenta ng vape. Any reaction?
Actually, right now, with what's happening in the current industry, the government is really it's really very strict when it comes to selling to the minors. So sa amin naman, when it comes to the Shift International, we practice and we train and we encourage our distributors and resellers to remind each and every end users na strictly we don't sell to minors. We just sell it to 18 years old and above. Hindi tayo pwede magbenta sa minors kasi alam naman natin that it is illegal and we can face a penalty with that. So sa amin naman, ang practice na ginagawa namin po is tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagpapaalala namin sa mga distributors namin na laging i-make sure, lalo na pag mukhang bata yung bibili. So kuna ng ID, kuna ng tamang procedure para po iwasan ang magiging problema. Salamat po.
Second question po, what is it about Rosmar and Boss Toyo? Kung bakit sila yung kinuha ng endorsers? And paano nag-start yung collaboration nito?
Tulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, with us and all the influencers here, all the deals are just their support to us. So like kami, like tulad ng sabi ni Ate Rosmar kanina, is It was since 2021, magkaibigan na po kami. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-trending. So, malakas pa lang siya, hindi pa siya pinakamalakas that time. No? So, nandun na yung suporta, nandun na yung pagkakaibigan. So, sa amin naman, may mga gustong influencers na pumasok sa Shift Family, we welcome them with our support naman. Salamat po.
Thank you. We have a question for Mr. Ben from the CEO. My question for Mr. Ben is, what will be your support on the vape market here in the Philippines?
You're asking a marketing support, right? Or can you repeat the question again? Sorry.
Okay, my question for Mr. Ben is, what will be your support on the vape market here in the Philippines?
For now, thank you for your question. For now, we all knows this industry for now is very difficult. Not because this is not happening in Philippines, also in all over the world. And we just want everything be legal, everything follow the government policy. And we want take some successful strategy to here to support our partner. And we are very glad to have a long-term partnership international. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And for Miss Celine, for tonight, what are we going to expect from this event?
The reason why we invite all the distributor, our friends and media come to this event is today we have a new product launch in this event. That's gonna for chillax. We have the biggest reimagination in the history of chillax. So just stay tuned. Yeah.
Okay, at kay Mr. Eugene Chua, napaka-generous po ninyo. Nakikita po dun sa harapan na mamimigay po yata kayo ng mga motor at mga kotse para sa ating lahat. So, bakit po ganyan ka-gracious, ka-grand ang bigayan natin ngayong gabi?
Well, when we started this company with my partners, no, we honestly we never expected that Shift International will be this big. So, yung bakit kami namimigay ng ganito, actually we prepared around 5 million worth of prizes to be given away tonight because sa amin kasi it is our way of giving back to our distributors who really help us to bring us to where we are right now. So, malaki po ang utang na loob rin namin sa aming mga supporters, distributors, and resellers. At sa mga ipaparapon natin ngayong gabi, I think they deserve it, and for me, they deserve more. Thank you.
Okay, si Mr. Lucky Mang. May question ka from Daily News. You have a question?
Ano pa po bang pwede po namin na-expect after this celebration? May mga promotions and other ano po ba ang upcoming this year?
Honestly, regarding this event, we hosted this for mainly number one. Later, we are about to present a new product for everyone. So it will be a surprise for everyone. Pero itong event kasi is more on, we created this event to discuss the legality na maraming mga distributors, vape shop owners, resellers ang very curious about it. So tulad ng parating na June 1 about the tax stamping ng BIR. So what we commit from Shift International is suportado namin ang gobyerno, lalo na ang BIR sa kanilang proyekto, lalo na sa pagpapaligal ng industriya namin. dito sa Pilipinas. Salamat po.
Okay, enough. And Miss Trixie Daus, you have a question.
Hi, my first question is for Rosmar and Rosmar. So ayan, dahil may word na chillax dyan, anong ginagawa niya para chillax? Bukod sa pag-vape.
Para po sa akin, yung pahinga ko every time na napapagod po ako, syempre yung aking asawa at aking mga anak. So, alam niyo naman po na napakarami ko talagang schedule every day. And para ako nag-tour around the world sa dami ng ganap. Pero every time na tuwing gabi, ayan, kaya ako po ang aking asawa. Doon po ako na-relax, kaya parang recharge. Then tomorrow is another day.
Yan, same thing din. Relax ko syempre yung asawa ko. Lalo na din magkakaroon kami ng baby. Tapos syempre yung mga anak ko din. Yan yung mga talagang pega. Kasi yan din naman yung dahilan kung ba't ako nagpapakapagod. Wala.
My other question is for the executives here. Can you tell us how did the partnership come about and what's the difference between Shift and Chillax?
We are looking for, last year, we are looking for a long-term partner, making everything legal, making the partnership happy, making everyone, distributors and users, shop owner, everyone happy. Then we are very fortunate. Sorry for my bad English. We are very fortunate to have Shift International. Thank you.
But you're in what industry? I mean, which is the big companies in Shift or which industry is Chillax in? Are you in the distributorship?
We are international. Chillax is an international brand from China, and Shift is a local brand. So we want just cooperate for long term, and we have a very long contract for more than 10 years. So we want to very successful here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, media friends. Do we have more questions from you? You were raising your hand.
Question for Rosmar na hindi ko natanong sa kanina. Popular ka na sa mga youth, no? Sa mga young generations, and magiging mas popular ka pa because you're endorsing a vape for them. But most mothers will hate you. Anong masasabi? Ready ka na ba?
Para po sa akin, kasi once naman may pinopromote ako na product, depende pa rin naman po sa user kung gagamit sila. At depende pa rin naman po sa, syempre meron naman tayo lahat free will or freedom to choose what is good or what is bad. So, kung i-promote ko man to, at kung ayaw naman talaga nila, hindi ko naman sila mapipilit. So, nasa sa kanila pa rin kung gagawin nila.
Okay, thank you for Sir Eugene. Sir, your message doon sa mga doctors na kumukot ka sa vape?
Actually, it is a never-ending issue na there are medical research, sabi nila. So sa amin naman kasi, as long as we have this, all the legality and we have this, all the papers, and we are doing it legally. So kami, that's our commitment naman. So everything, we make sure that it's legal and it's safe before we enter this industry. Thank you.
Thanks.
Last question from Mr. Jozo Panalita.
Thank you. My question is for Ms. Celine. Can you talk about the variants or flavors of your vape and which ones cater to females?
Sorry,
The variants
could
and
you repeat the question again?
Can you talk about the variants or flavors of your vape? What are the best sellers?
You mean for the new products or
Yes.
previous products?
Yes.
We have variety flavor, like fruity flavor, like minty, fruity, or sweetie. But how many I cannot tell you now. But stay tuned for the product launch stage. Okay.
Where is your vape available worldwide aside from the Philippines?
Sorry.
Where is your vape available aside from the Philippines? Because it says global product.
Except for Philippines, we still have America, Canada, Malaysia, Europe, and especially also Russia, Korea. Philippines, to be honest, perform very well.
The Philippines.
Yeah,
Why do you say that?
because Chillax now we are following the government policy now. We are trying to do our best to give the faster user experience. Also, following other like the rules. Yeah.
Thank you. Congratulations.